There he is. Big dog. He about the last, one of the last days I'm in this lot. Unless they want something done on the side. And that trailer's gone. And they've got this place cleared out. And unless they want something done on the side, that's going to be about it. On to a new run of ventures. Different trucks. See what, there's a chemical place. Oh, there's the tugboat over there with his lights on bright as hell. It's wait. So, old oil tank. But yeah, it's going to be about it. On to a new adventure. Next week starts. Unless they need something done.